Hello everyone, this is Tien from Stock Navigators. In this video, I will go over the consumer and retail sector since the holiday season is coming and there are more spending in the market right now in terms of spending for the Christmas and the holiday season. So the consumer spending actually rose with a strong 0.7% even with the inflation and the COVID concern. So let's get to the chart and look at the market right now. So first of all, I have the consumer stable sector or the ETF XLP on my chart. XLP is trading in the range bound market right now where the support is around $68.61 and the resistance is around $73. If XLP cannot hold at this level, the next support will be around $71 and the second support will be around $70, and finally the last support, and maybe there could be like a very strong one as well, will be at the buying zone at $68.62. The next ETF for the next sector I want to look at is the XLY, which is the consumer discretion. So XLY has been moving up nicely in this sideways up channel for quite some times since April last year, or I'm sorry, April of this year, and finally was able to break out to the upside, and right now look like it's repeating itself where the stock just moving in the sideways up channel. Temporarily we have a short-term buy zone and sell zone up here around $202 for the buy zone and $213 for the sell zone for the XLY. So let's look at the retail sector. The biggest retail in the US, Walmart, currently is moving in a very similar pattern as the XLP, where the stock just trading in the sideways range bound market, where Walmart has a very strong support around $135 and the resistance will be around $152. So look like Walmart is making some bearish engulfing candle today, so we will expect the stock to either able to hold around this $141, or if it can't hold at this level, then the next support will be either at this uptrend line around $137, and finally the final support will be around $135 for Walmart. Let's look at Costco, one of the biggest wholesale store in the US, continue to go to the upside, and today Costco actually made the all-time high with a very strong momentum to the upside. One of the Walmart competitor Target is moving in a similar formation as well, where is holding at the current support around $247. The next support will be at this uptrend line around $240. If Target can't hold at this uptrend line and broke below it, then the next support will be around either $230 or at $225. Right now the resistance for Target is around $266, so we will trade accordingly within these zones. The next retail I want to look at is Dollar General. So Dollar General was able to go up and fill the gap that it created back in August. So right now Dollar General was able to break above the previous resistance, as you can tell at this point here and this point. So there were multiple rejection as the resistance here around $222 level, and finally Dollar General was able to break above it, and today or yesterday it back tested this level, and we will see if DG can hold within this range. Otherwise the next support will be at 218, 215, and finally will be at the uptrend line around $207. And the last ticker in the retail segment will be Dollar Tree. Very similar formation with Costco, where it gap up and break out from the long-term resistance around $116, and Dollar Tree is just continue to go to the upside with a very strong momentum. So let's look at the home improvement sector. Home Depot HD create a very beautiful bull flag formation right here. Gap up, continue to the upside with a very strong momentum, as you can tell. And low is following Home Depot with a similar formation where it create a bull flag, just go sideways in this range bound for quite some times, and break out to the upside and do another sideways movement or another bull flag up here, and finally break out again, and we'll wait and see if low will continue to consolidate at this level and be able to break out to the upside, or it might pull back for some minor correction. But so far, look at the momentum. I think low is a little bit weaker than Home Depot. And finally, we will look at the online retails. Amazon, the biggest online retail in the US, is currently trading in the sideways range bound market as well, where it has a very strong resistance around 37.41. So today, Amazon was able to hold, kind of backtest the previous resistance around 35.44, and we will see in the next couple of days and if Amazon can hold at this level and come back to test this resistance. Otherwise, if it breaks below this 35.44 or 35.41 level, the next support for Amazon will be around 34.16, or at the uptrend line that I draw on my chart right here. If Amazon continue to break to the downside, then the next support will be around 31.88. Another online retail, eBay, trading in the sideways market as well. So today eBay dropped to the support level around $69 to $70, and the buyer showed up, was able to push the price back up a little bit with this wick here, but the momentum started shifting to the downside. So we see we will keep an eye on eBay and see how the price gonna react at this level in the next couple of days. Etsy, another online retail, were able to break out from the previous resistance, successfully backtest this level and continue to the upside. So look at the momentum. Look like Etsy still continue to the upside. In the short term, it might pull back to this uptrend line here. So we will wait and see how price gonna react around $272 level. And finally, one of the biggest electronics retail in the US, Best Buy, even though they break out from this downtrend line, very strong move to the upside, and even they announced good earnings a couple of days ago, but the stock still kind of get down below this trend line. So just one more reason to be careful when trading around earnings for you guys. However, what I'm seeing today is that Best Buy is moving in a very bearish formation. Look like it's trying to push the price back down into this buy zone down here around $106 level. If price can come back to this buy zone or this support level and reverse, then we will see buy zone trading in the range bound sideways market, where the support will be around this blue box here and the resistance will be at the downtrend line that I draw on my chart. So that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. And if you like this video, please give us a like and a subscription button for stocknavigators.com. Thank you for watching.